Here's what I think that this creator should be charging for a TikTok video. All of the rates that I give you guys in these videos are based on my experience as a creator monetization coach. My days every day are filled with figuring out what to charge for creators, helping them negotiate partnerships, reading contracts, all of the fun stuff. So Roxana has about 74K followers. Her views are kind of all over the place, but pretty consistently we're seeing somewhere between 2 to 3K. And most videos are seeing 15 to 20 comments, though the ones that are getting a ton more views are obviously getting a lot more comments than that. So considering that her engagement and her reach have such a wide range, it only makes sense that the rate is also going to have a pretty high range. Depending on where her views are, I would say trying to reach somewhere between 1,500 to 3K per post would be pretty reasonable, especially because her niche is so specific. Because she's talking about such a specific topic, if I'm a brand that's product falls into that category, I know that that audience is going to be super interested in what I have to say about my product. If you need help figuring out what to charge for your TikTok or your Instagram, let me know in the comments.